If you're thinking about downsizing or moving into a 55 plus community, you're going to want to see this because this might be one of the easiest lifestyles that you can step into. Hi, I'm Cheryl, and this is Signature 60, where I share lifestyle, real estate, and real life at 60. So today I'll be touring a model home in the Buford, Georgia area in a 55 plus community, and I want to show you not just the house but what the lifestyle really looks like. So before we go inside, let me tell you who this type of home is for. If you are an empty nester, someone looking to downsize, or if you just don't want the upkeep of a large home anymore, this could be a great option for you. It's really about simplifying your life without giving up your comfort. Right away, one of the first things that you'll notice is how low maintenance and functional everything is in these homes. You're not dealing with a lot of work, and that is one of the biggest benefits of living in a 55 plus community. Less and low maintenance, more time to actually enjoy your life and the things that you love. Now, as soon as you walk in, most of these homes feel open, clean, very easy to manage. And that's something I always tell my clients. At this stage in your life, you want ease, not extra work. The kitchens are very beautiful, they're functional. You have plenty of cabinet space, nice islands for entertaining, and everything is still like within reach, which is something that you really start to appreciate. This is perfect if you still enjoy cooking, but you don't want anything overwhelming. The living area feels open but still cozy. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's just right for everyday living and having people over. And again, everything is designed to maintain your easy, low maintenance lifestyle. Now, one of the biggest advantages is having your on the main level, your primary bedrooms on the main level. Most of these typically are ranch homes. Some of them you may find a few two-story homes with a bonus room upstairs, but no stairs, easy access, and sometimes that works long term. The bathrooms are designed for comfort, simple function, and practical use. You have beautiful laundry rooms, extra bedrooms for guests or an office space, and depending on the community, these homes can vary in price, and you usually will have an HOA, but the HOA often covers things like landscaping, maintenance, and most of the amenities, which really makes this a lifestyle and it makes it so appealing. A few things that I love about living in one of these communities, again, is the low maintenance, simpler lifestyle, and a built-in community of people your own age. Some other things to think about are you will have age restrictions, less space than a traditional home. And at this stage in your life, you just have to decide what matters the most to you. And as a realtor, I always tell my clients, don't just think about the house, think about the lifestyle. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 to 10 years? And do you want less responsibility, more freedom, and more community? That's really what this type of community and home, this is what it's really about. Personally, I can relate and appreciate this type of living. Less stress, less upkeep, and more time to focus on what you actually enjoy. So if you are thinking about a 55 plus community, this might be something to seriously consider. Let me know in the comments, would you live in this type of community? And don't forget to subscribe for more real estate lifestyle at 60. Now, let's take a look at these beautiful homes, and if you're interested in seeing this in person, please give me a call. Cheryl Dunnings with HomeSmart at 770-265-3906. Oh, and one thing I forgot to tell you, one of the main things about this community is that it is located in Buford, Georgia, minutes away from the Mall of Georgia, shops, restaurants, and medical offices. So that is also a great tip, and it's easy access to Highway 85. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe.